In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar View. First, let's open Google Calendar. This is the starting point for managing your time effectively. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once the page loads, you will see a colorful interface filled with your events. This visual layout is essential for organizing your schedule. It allows you to quickly assess what's coming up in your life. Remember, a well-organized calendar helps reduce stress and increases productivity. Next, locate the View selector in the top right corner of the screen. This selector is a key feature of Google Calendar, giving you control over how you see your schedule. You will notice a drop-down menu with different options. This is important because choosing the right view can help you better plan your day or week. It makes it easier to visualize your commitments, whether they are clustered in one day or spread out over the month. Once you find the View selector, click on it. This action will reveal a list of options for you to choose from. You will see choices like day, week, month, year, and schedule. Each option offers a different perspective on your calendar. Selecting the right view is crucial for managing your time effectively. It ensures you are focusing on the right time frame for your tasks and events. Now, let's explore the options you can select. First, there is the day view. Choosing this option allows you to see just one day at a time. This view is perfect for those busy days when you have multiple appointments or tasks lined up. It gives you a detailed look at your schedule, helping you to stay on track. Next up is the week view. When you select this option, you will see an entire week laid out in front of you. This is beneficial for planning your week ahead, giving you a broader perspective on your commitments. You can quickly spot busy days and adjust your plans accordingly. Then, there is the month view. This option displays the entire month at a glance. It's great for long-term planning, as you can see key events and deadlines. This view helps you manage your time more effectively by allowing you to anticipate busy periods. After that, consider the year view. This option is more comprehensive, showing you all 12 months. It's ideal for seeing major events or deadlines throughout the year. This perspective can help you plan vacations or significant projects well in advance. Now, let's move on to the schedule view. By selecting this option, you will see your events listed in chronological order. This is particularly useful for a clear overview of your upcoming commitments. It helps you understand what's next on your agenda without distractions from the calendar grid. Once you have selected your preferred view, you might want to reset to today. To do this, click the Today button at the top of the screen. This action will quickly bring your calendar back to the current date. It's a simple yet effective way to refocus your attention on today's tasks. Google Calendar will return to the current date, making sure you are oriented on what's important right now. This small step is key in keeping your schedule relevant and organized. Remember, regularly checking and adjusting your calendar can save you a lot of time and stress later on. This concludes the steps on how to fix your Google Calendar view. With these options at your disposal, you can manage your time more effectively and reduce any overwhelm. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.